wake up, eyes open wide, greet the morning light. Stretch out, throw off the covers, gonna take flight. Feel the fresh air, breathe it in, gotta seize the day. Smiling, feeling alive, no time to delay. Hop out of bed, feet hit the floor, ready to go with a bouncing net. When I see you, my heart skips a beat. Your smile, your style, so sweet and unique. You're the melody to my song, the rhythm to my feet. I wanna dance with you all night to the beats. With every touch, my body ignites. You bring the fire, yeah, you light up my life. We move together, it feels so right. In your arms I'm lost like stars in the night. So dance with me, baby, don't let go. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the groove, feel the flow. We're unstoppable, like a perfect soul. Underneath the moonlit sky, our spirits align, in sync with the music, our connection divine. Lost in the moment, a world of our own. With you beside me, I never feel alone. Your laughter fills the air like a sweet serenade. With every step we take, worries start to fade. We're painting our love story with each move we make. In this dance of life, together we'll partake. So dance with me, baby, don't let go. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the groove, feel the flow. We're unstoppable, like a perfect soul. As the music fades into the night, our love remains burning bright. In this dance of love, forever be entwined in passion, eternally free. So dance with me, baby, don't let go. Let the rhythm take control. Feel the groove, feel the flow. We're unstoppable, like a perfect soul. Morning sun shining through my window pane, warming up my heart like a gentle flame. Birds are singing melodies up in the sky. A brand new day, feeling like I can fly. Stretching out my arms, embracing the light. Grateful for this moment, everything feels right. Coffee brewing, filling up the air. A perfect start to a day beyond compare. Oh, what a beautiful morning, the world's awake. I'm alive and ready for the day to break. With a smile on my face and joy in my soul, let the morning song lift me up and make me whole. Stepping outside, the breeze whispers in my ear. Nature's symphony surrounds me. Oh, so clear, leaves rustling, a gentle sway in the trees. In harmony with life's sweet melodies. Walking down the street, greeting neighbors with cheer. Sharing laughs and stories, feeling oh so near. The city hums with life, a vibrant energy. Every moment filled with possibility. Oh, what a beautiful morning, the world's awake. I'm alive and ready for the day to break. With a smile on my face and I wake up every day with the sun shining bright, feeling blessed and ready for the perfect day and night. I got my crew by my side, ready to ignite. Ain't nothing gonna bring us down, we're gonna take flight. Put your hands up in the air, let the music flow. Everybody in the crowd, let your true colors show. We came here to party, we came here to glow. Dancing all night long is the only one we know. Oh yeah, we're shining bright like a star in the sky. Can't bring us down, we're reaching new heights. No negativity, we're leaving it behind. We're shining bright, let our spirits fly. The rhythm of life, we find our groove. Each beat a melody, a story we prove. Together we rise like waves on the shore. In this dance of unity, forever we'll explore. Hands intertwined, hearts open wide. Embracing the moment with arms stretched wide. Every life